As the sun began to set, casting long, bruised shadows across the hangar floor, Thorne finally stopped pacing. He looked at the lead engineer, a man named Henderson. "That's it," Thorne said, his voice flat and drained of all hope. "Strip it down. We're selling the titanium for scrap. I'm not wasting another cent on this ghost." The team began to disperse, a sense of grim relief washing over them. They were finally free from the impossible engine. Michael waited until the hangar was nearly empty, the only sound being the distant hum of the security lights flickering on. He saw the foreman, a gruff man named Miller, heading for the exit. "Can I stay for a bit?" Michael asked quietly. "I need to finish inventorying the tools." Miller, too tired to care about company policy, just waved a hand dismissively. "Whatever, Reyes. Just don't break anything else. Security locks up at midnight. Don't get trapped in here with that piece of junk." Once the heavy steel doors clicked shut, Michael was alone with the Titan. The silence was absolute, a heavy, pressurized quiet that made his ears ring. He didn't go to the computer console. He didn't plug in a diagnostic tool. Instead, he pulled a small, portable work light over to the side of the engine and turned it on. He didn't want the harsh, clinical overhead glare. He wanted to see the shadows in the crevices. He reached out and touched the main drive shaft, his fingers feeling the cold, smooth texture of the polished steel. He didn't try to start it. He simply grabbed the manual rotation handle, a massive iron bar designed for emergency maintenance, and began to turn the engine by hand. It was a slow, grueling process. He had to put his entire weight into the lever, his muscles screaming as he forced the massive internal components to move. The physical exertion was a welcome distraction from his mental exhaustion. With every turn, he felt as if he were reconnecting with his own dormant potential. He closed his eyes. He didn't need to see. He needed to feel the resonance. As the blades moved slowly, he felt the resistance in the gears. He felt the way the lubricating oil moved through the lines. And then, he heard it. A sound so faint, it was almost a vibration rather than a noise. A tiny, rhythmic tink that happened exactly once every 3 rotations. It was a metallic heartbeat that shouldn't have been there.